All right, here we go, guys. This is Group Break 185. Just completed the team draw. We have two trades to announce as well. Carolina was traded for Minnesota, and Winnipeg was traded for the San Jose Sharks. It has been corrected on this list as well. I did the first trade, but the last one was just right before it. But it's corrected on the right-hand side of the screen there, guys. Good luck to all. We will we'll start with the blaster, do the 2 tins, and then get into the hobby boxes. All right. Good luck to all. Thank you very much for joining. And here we go. Brett Burns, Shining Stars for the San Jose Sharks. Reminder, guys, if you do happen to go hitless in this break, which means you get no cards, you do go into our hitless draw that we do once every 2 months. If you haven't seen one of our hitless draws, check out YouTube, Sandbagger Cards. Our latest hitless draw is up there. There was 15 different prizes. We give away hobby boxes, credit, cards, all kinds of stuff. So if you do happen to go hitless, you always have a chance to get something in the end. Robert Haig for the Philadelphia Flyers, Young Gun. Oh, I left my soft sleeves on my sorting desk. Just 1 second, guys. What's up, Scotty? Bring the heat. All base in that pack. Another all base pack. Sorry, another all base pack. Some of these retail blasters, you get lots of base packs. We got a Tyson Yost rookie portraits, UD portraits for the Colorado Avalanche. All base. And a Dennis Gurinoff, a rookie for the Young Gun for the Dallas Stars. Come on, canvas. It doesn't update? Yeah. Yeah, that's why I said there was two chats going. Because I knew you could be in both of them. And a canvas of Paul Stastny for the St. Louis Blues. He was just traded, wasn't he? Forget what team he went to. And all base. That is the first 15-16 Series 1 17-18 Series 1 blaster. Not the best start, but hopefully it continues or gets better from here. We have tin number 104. We have a Marc-Andre Fleury Jumbo. If Vegas does want it, I can send it. Otherwise, usually I just donate the Jumbo base to the kids. What's up, Scott? Tucker Poolman, marquee rookie for the Winnipeg Jets. Dylan Ferguson for the Las Vegas Golden Knights, Young Gun. Donate it, Kyler. Thank you. Some people want it. Most people don't really want it, so more times than not, I got a big pile on the shelf, and every few months I donate them. Johnny Aduya for the Ottawa Senators, UD Canvas. Victor Antipin for the Buffalo Sabres, marquee rookie. Nolan Patrick, UD Portraits for the Philadelphia Flyers. Henrik Halpula for the Florida Panthers, Young Gun. Yeah, this filled in another group, Scott. It was posted in the Hobby Box group too, but most of it filled in the Kaylor Yamamoto marquee rookie glossy for the Edmonton Oilers. No numbering on the glossy. Nolan Patrick marquee rookie for the Philadelphia Flyers. Dustin Brown, UD Canvas for the LA Kings. Come on, Canvas Young Gun. Billy Husso for the St. Louis Blues, Young Gun. Giovanni Fiore for the Anaheim Ducks, UD Portraits. And final pack of Series 2 tin is an Alexander Radulov upside down O-Pee-Chee base, non-blank back. That was the uneventful Series 2 tin. Hopefully the next one is a lot better than that one. Couple nice Patricks in there though. Not too shabby. Could always be better though. Alright guys, next tin. And then we get into the hobby boxes. 712 is the tin number. Matt Murray Jumbo Base. If Pittsburgh wants it, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll donate it. Kolthoff, just let me know if you want it. I'll send it out. If not, put it in a donate pile. Empty tin. Anton Lindholm for the Colorado Avalanche, Young Gun. Henrik Halpula, Young Gun Canvas for the Florida Panthers. You got the Young Gun, now you got the Young Gun Canvas, Florida. Dylan stacking the hits early. Not bad. Clayton Keller, rookie materials for the Arizona Coyotes. Clayton Keller, rookie materials jersey. Oh, base card attached to the back there. Nathan Walker, marquee rookie for the Washington Capitals. Kolthoff, yeah, no problem. If you want it, it's like I said, it's your card, but some people just don't want them. So if you could donate it to a kid that will appreciate it, I'm more than happy to send it out to you. UD Portraits, Alex Formenton, rookie. I love seeing kids in this hobby. That's why at the local shows we always try to give stuff out, give packs of base cards, stuff like that. Because it's all about the hobby, and getting kids interested in it benefits us as well, guys. Braden Shen, because one day they'll be in the hobby as well, right? Alex Nedeljkovic, I just call him Nedel. Nedeljkovic. I'm probably butchering it, but I just call him Nedel, for the Carolina Hurricanes, young gun. Travis Sandheim, UD Rookie Portraits for the Philadelphia Flyers. All base, guys. Oops. For the Winnipeg Jets, sorry, drew a blank there. What jersey that was? Sean Matthias for the Winnipeg Jets, UD canvas. And Jan Ruta for the Chicago Blackhawks, young gun. Jonathan Drouin, OPG update for the Montreal Canadiens. And that ends off our Series 2 tins. A few nice cards in there. But now to what everyone wants to see their hit in. Start with that artifacts and end with SB Game Used. Sorry, I was a little off. I gotta get a new camera cord. The camera cord's a little too wide, so I bump the camera every now and then. I apologize if I do, guys. I was meaning to pick it up today, but I forgot to. Alright, artifacts, guys. Here we go. 8 packs of artifacts. For the Boston Bruins, David Krejci, 196 of 599. Base and base. Just to show his base and base. Green Emerald for the Detroit Red Wings, Nicholas Lidstrom, 89 of 99. Has his All-Star Game uniform, but we all know that he played the most games for the Detroit Red Wings, so goes to the Detroit Red Wings. Nice. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Centennial Remnants, Austin Matthews, jersey card. Nice hit for the Leafs. Daryl. Oh, looks like we have a patch. We have a purple patch. Nice patchwork. For the St. Louis Blues, 29 of 49. Ivan Barbashev, 2-color on the left, 2-color on the right. Pretty nice swatches in there. Nice hit for the Blues and Stefan, I think. Yep, Stefan. Mr. Otto. We have a rookie redemption wild card. It is numbered 212. The redemption list is out, so I'll get somebody to look that up for me. Somebody can look up redemption 212, either on Facebook or on Breakers if somebody, one of my mods over there. And we'll give that to whoever it is. I don't have the list up on my screen right now, or else I'd look. For the San Jose Sharks, 156 of 165. Joel Pavelski, dual jersey. And base on the back. James Neal, 038 of 299, Red Ruby for the Nashville Predators. Will Butcher for the New Jersey Devils. Thank you very much. This is Will Butcher from the New Jersey Devils. Thank you very much, Dylan. I appreciate that. New Jersey Devils gets that redemption card, guys. Dennis. Goes to New Jersey. And final pack of artifacts is another Nicholas Lidstrom 482 of 599. This time the base parallel for the Detroit Red Wings. Not a bad box of artifacts. That Barbashev's a really nice patchwork in there. Hopefully SB Game Used is good to end off the break. If you don't have a hit here, I hope you get one now. We are opening box number 423. Come on, focus, camera. Come on, camera. It says 423, guys. Sorry, camera's not cooperating. Maybe I'll take the plastic off. It'll get it better. There it is. Just the plastic was irritating it. Empty box. Yeah, kind of hate when Upper Deck does that. Puts two of the same card, different parallel in the pack. Just gonna slip a decoy in here, guys. Just because sometimes they put a nice, real, true rookie on top, so I want to be surprised as you guys do when it comes out. Alright, guys, final box. Here we go. You don't trust me? Vadim Shipachyov, 038 of 100 for the Vegas Golden Knights. AK ship them off. We do have a true rookie. 41 of 76 for the Washington Capitals, Garrett Mitchell. There we go, focused, and then unfocused. Garrett Mitchell, Corey, nice hit. Not sure how he's going to turn out. True rookies are also always nice to hit, though. Oops. Ooh, nice patch for the LA Kings. Anze Kopitar, 20 of 25 for the LA Kings. LA Kings is Scott. Do you trust me now, bud? For the Carolina Hurricanes, Noah Hannafin. Unfortunately, Carolina, this auto is pretty dinged. So if you want to send Upper Deck something about it, just let me know. I can show you the video or whatever it is, or give you a box or whatever the information they need. Carolina is a traded team, so it goes to Jesse now. But that bottom right corner was heavily dinged right out of the pack, which is sometimes the case with Upper Deck products. And we have, oh, there is two cards there. Sorry, they're just stuck together. It is 2 cards, but it's stuck together. I'll do the bottom one first. For the Edmonton Oilers, Milan Lucic. Jersey for the Oilers. And as you saw when I pulled up the thing, for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nazem Kadri Centennial Fabrics jersey card for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Yeah, true rookies numbered to the jersey card. There you are, guys. That's the break. We have no multi-randoms to do in that break. Not bad. Could be better always. No big, huge whammies. I appreciate the support and the fill, guys. Thank you very much. And if you happen to go hitless, I will put you in the hitless draw. The next one will be the end of March. We just did one recently at the end of January there, or early February. So the next one will be end of March. So if you didn't get a hit, you might get something a little down the road. Recap artifact. I will in 1 second, Stefan. I'm just going to end the YouTube video. Peace out, guys. Be back with more breaks. Thanks.